Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing PowerPoint template on nature. So first of all, what you have to do is that you have to go to layout option and then click on blank. Now what you have to do next is that you have to go to insert tab and then insert a rounded cornered rectangle. Increase its radius. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna remove its outline and by clicking Control V you're gonna paste it several times. So I have pasted all of them. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna increase and decrease the size of some of the rounded rectangles to make or give it an aesthetic look. Now select all of them. Now go to align and align them to the middle. Now what you're gonna do is group them by right clicking them and clicking on the group option. Next, what you have to do is that you have to move them to the center of the slide. Now go to now right click on the shape and then format shape and then fill and background or texture fill. Go to insert and insert the picture that you want to insert. So I have used this picture that is of high resolution. What you have to do is that you have to use a high resolution picture so that your slide looks beautiful and clear. Be sure to use a high resolution picture because a resolution picture makes your PowerPoint slide look amazing. What you're gonna do is enter the text, select it all, go to letter spacing, more spacing, and then increase the spacing by 30 times. Next, you're gonna change its font. Close this tab. Increase its size and change its color to white as well. Yes, from right here, I'm gonna change this color to white. And now I'm gonna change this font to Arial Black. Increase its size. Next, you have to adjust it into the middle. So moving towards our next step, we're gonna go to insert and then we're gonna insert a picture that you have used in the shape. Basically, we're gonna select it and then we're gonna drag it onto the slide and now right click on it and send it to the back side. Now go to artistic effects and blur. Right click on it and go to format shape. Now increase the radius to 80% or 26 will be alright. But you can also increase if you want more blurring effect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the text towards the bottom of the template like this. I'm gonna drag it and then I'm gonna adjust it into the middle. Yep. Now you have to select it, increase its size. So this is the last step and this is the final result of the video. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe my channel and like my video. Also hit that bell icon to get the latest updates and PowerPoint tricks.